Well, good morning. It is Wednesday, July 30th, 2025, and I can't wait to see my daughter, son-in-law, and 3 grandchildren who are coming up this weekend. And just an update, you already met, this thing looks really cool at night because that little lantern glows. It's a solar light. But for the last 2 days, no laughing, please. This is the way it has to be done because to flatten out the base would involve too much stuff. Oh, can I eat? Yes, we're going to eat this morning. All right? Yes, I know you want to do that. All right, so here's the deal. I'm using 2x8s for the headers for the 2 windows. And here we are. Okay, you can see obviously that the walls are they're level, so that's good. And because it's on a slope, I had to do it this way, so it'll be 5 feet in the back and 6 in the front. So I was able to put up that wall, and as you can see, it is level. And that was tough yesterday. That wall fell down 3 times before I was able to do it because you got to do it by yourself. So, and plus with the header, it wasn't fun either. But it's all done. In terms of the side wall here, the window's going to go under the header. And there's the window. And today, I'm going to do this side. Same deal. Another window. And then I have to figure out whether I want to do the front. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so I'll probably do my appeal work. And so that's that. Step by step. That floor's solid. And I'll be able to have the firewood in there for the winter, which will be great. And the windows will provide some light in there because the other shed, even though it's a 4x12 and this is a 8x16, when you shut that door, it's dark. So in addition to having some light, I'll also be able to open it. It's screened, and I'll get a cross breeze to dry out the firewood. And the front's going to have 2 doors. I'll probably come in like 4 feet here, and then 4 feet on the other side, and then I'll have 2 doors just like the other shed. That'll be 4 foot wide that I'll be able to open and then clasp. Excuse me. So I'll be able to get the air will all go in there, and it'll be nice. So I have all the wood, and I'll be doing 2x6 rafters, and the T111 siding and the OSB for the roof is sitting in the trailer down there. And the propane guy came, so that's getting out of here. And it's going over here. And I'll be getting, I don't know, 1, 2, or 3 of them. And be able to clean up all of this wood. Some of it's for the decking that needs to be repaired. And so that's it. It is a beautiful day. Yesterday was like 98 degrees. So I did a few hours in the morning and then went in and did some work and then came out in the evening. You can hear the birds. And I forgot to bring in the bird feeders, but thankfully there was no bears visiting last night. And then because we keep getting there's some bad weather going on, not just here in New Hampshire but just across the whole country, but some of the warnings indicate hail half-inch, you got to seek shelter. It's dangerous to you, and I don't want anything to happen to my 2 solar panels that work that 12-volt refrigerator freezer in the back of the Jeep. So I got some plexiglass, which is incredibly expensive, and I'm going to cut it to fit there so that if it does hail, even if the Jeep gets damaged, that won't, because I don't think I could repeat it again, what I did. Alrighty, Mr. Jakey. Yes, let's go. It's time to go eat. Oh, we'll take a quick peek at the garden, which is growing. Unbelievable. And I still haven't weeded that. And maybe I got 2 more chairs to put together and be able to have a fire with the kids. And I got that stone sitting over there in that gorilla wagon, I'll call it, for the lack of a better word. All right, so birds love munching. Until next time, enjoy your day, and God bless.